Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to customize visibility settings on Facebook. So first, open your Facebook app, then go to menu 3 lines. Here, scroll down, then click settings and privacy. Click on it, then click privacy shortcuts. Click on review a few important privacy settings. Then the first, click who can see what you share. Click continue. Then you can customize visibility settings of your phone number, email, birthday, relationship, interested in, current city, work, education, friends and following. Then click next. You can also customize your visibility of future posts, stories, limit past posts. Then click next. You also can add your friends to blocked list. Here, then click next. Okay, review another topic. So the next is how to keep your account secure. You can customize your password, two-factor authentication, and login alerts. Then we go to how people can find you on Facebook. Click continue. Then you can customize the visibility of who can send your friend request. You can set it to friends of friends. Then click next. You can choose who can look you up by your phone number and email address. So I will choose only me. It will be just me who can look my phone number and also email like this. Then click next. You can customize, do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? You can turn it off. Then people will not find your Facebook using search engine like Google. Click next. Then click review another topic. You can setting up the other option like your data settings on Facebook and your ad preferences on Facebook. So this is how to customize visibility settings on Facebook. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.